It's no secret that Elon Musk doesn't like TikTok. He's been vocal about his concerns with the apps many times and even called for a ban on it in the United States. Elon's made it clear that he thinks TikTok is a security risk, and he's not alone in that belief. Several government officials have also expressed their concerns with the app, so it's no surprise that people are now calling for Elon to acquire and delete the Chinese social media platform. And with Elon having recently attempted to acquire Twitter, another social media juggernaut, coupled with his long track record of achievements that benefited everyone, it's a safe assumption that he might just go ahead and do it too. But is TikTok deserving of all the hate? I mean, no social media platform even comes close to the amount of hate TikTok has received since its conception back in 2016. Okay, so one social media platform comes close. You get the picture. Welcome to Musk Munition. Join us as we figure out why everyone's favorite capricious entrepreneur has a bone to pick with TikTok. Reason number 1, he thinks it's destroying civilization. According to a tweet made by Elon, which garnered over 400,000 likes, he believes the social media platform will be the end of human civilization. How exactly? Well, he didn't specify per se, but he's likely referring to the platform's highly encouraging environment for stupid, outright dumb behavior, which he feels is corrupting the minds of humanity's only hope, the upcoming generation. Want some samples? Of course you do. So, do you remember those stupidly dangerous, ridiculous challenges like the Ice Bucket Challenge or planking from back in the day? You know, those fun, innocent, totally harmless videos of people laying face down on top of sleeping Siberian tigers? Or on the tip of a 7-story rooftop your friends and family used to share with you? Well, I didn't think it was possible, but TikTok, the leading innovator when it comes to human stupidity, is taking these challenges to new extremes with things like the penny challenge, where you're supposed to drop a penny between a wall socket and a plug, and the results are catastrophic, with kids accidentally destroying their parents' homes by unwillingly instigating a fire. Other worthy examples are things like the Slap a Teacher or the Skull Breaker challenges. The latter involves intentionally tripping random people, sometimes resulting in serious injuries. The former is self-explanatory, but if you're like me, then you're more of a visual learner. Here's a video for you. Enjoy.
This sickening video shows a student slapping and striking a 64-year-old wheelchair-bound teacher and was initially reported in connection with the Slap a Teacher challenge.
Reason number 2. According to Elon, TikTok literally rots your brain away. In a meeting with Twitter employees, Musk described TikTok as next-level ADD, referring to the neurological condition in which you're more easily distracted, with a below-average attention span. And that's exactly what TikTok is. According to a recent study, it looks like the constant rapid fire of short, eye-catching videos severely lowers our attention span over time, meaning we can't focus on other important things like driving, studying, or work. If you think that we're over-exaggerating, think again. This problem became so severe that TikTok literally hired actual influencers to ask their viewers to take short breaks between videos. They even added pop-ups to encourage them to stop scrolling. It's not every day that you see an app asking you to please turn it off and go outside for a bit, now is it? Reason number 3, a violation of privacy and freedom of speech. We've all downloaded 1 or 2 apps, only to be dumbstruck by the apps requesting access to personal stuff they have no business in, like our email address, contact lists, or other things with our phones. No, Wild Maths Adventure Deluxe, you may not have access to my camera. So why exactly is TikTok the prime culprit here when it comes to other apps that have been doing the same exact thing for years? That is because TikTok is taking it a step further. In its privacy policy, it's clear to you that TikTok has every right to monitor everything you do. And by everything, I really do mean everything. Were you typing a risky message confessing your feelings to that special someone you've had feelings for, but then ultimately decided not to? Well, too bad, because TikTok monitors and stores all your messages, even the ones you've never sent. And now, they know your secret. It doesn't just stop at your messages either, as TikTok has access to all sorts of private information. Everything from your contact list and phone number to your email address and passwords. And that's not all. As most of you already know, TikTok is notorious for censoring content in the political spectrum, when it doesn't align with certain ideologies. Basically, you can't criticize certain world leaders and governments without serious backlash, and the likelihood of getting banned off the platform. This doesn't sit well with Elon, who expressed his desire to turn Twitter into a more censorship-free platform, where users are allowed to share their opinions and say what they want to on social media, as long as it doesn't violate the law. Moreover, TikTok even outright admitted to playing favorites among its creators by reducing the viral potentials of videos made by people who are disabled, overweight, or otherwise belonging to certain minority groups. Now hang on a minute. Didn't Elon state in his meeting with Twitter employees that he wishes Twitter to be more like TikTok? Despite his explicit hate of the platform, Elon did go on to use TikTok as an example of a social media platform that keeps its users entertained much more efficiently than Twitter, prompting his future Twitter employees to take a few notes from TikTok's book. In conclusion, Elon Musk's issues with TikTok stem from the fact that it is a distraction, violates user privacy, and censors content. While TikTok may be entertaining, according to Elon, it is not worth the trade-off in terms of privacy and freedom of speech. Do you think that the Tesla CEO is right about TikTok? Or is the eccentric billionaire overreacting? Make sure to let us know what you guys think in the comments down below.